So guys, I'm actually still working on my on the seat, the angle of this driver's seat of this vehicle. You understand? And although with time I will actually explain to you guys exactly what I mean by what I'm doing now. Okay, I just got a welding machine, a new welding machine, because this one that I'm having here, this one is the old one I was actually using. It has actually got burnt, and although my investors were able to get me a new welding machine, as you can see. So this is just a new welding machine that I just got now. Understand? So I just want to start with the framework. So remember, we are still working on the wireframe of this job. You understand? So after the wireframe, then from that wireframe they can be able to see a clear view of what I'm trying to do for them. You understand? Then after that, we will now go into the original. So this one is not going to have an engine. You understand? So this is the part that you can see. I cut this part off because I noticed there was a lot of mistakes. So this is the driver's seat. This is the driver's seat of this vehicle. Yes, and you know, I'm just trying to do something similar to something that is going to be similar to an F1. That is a Formula 1 car. Which I have a prototype here. I have a prototype here, and this one that we have here now, I think this is a Formula 1 2006, or it should be lesser, because I don't think this is 2010. Yes, and I think this from 2006, or should be lesser than that. I really don't know the year, but this is not exactly what I'm building. But I'm just trying as much as possible to take little idea from this. You understand? I'm trying as much as possible to build a kind of from 2018 upward. You understand? That is exactly what I'm trying to do. But the aerodynamic shape is actually differs. You understand? So right now, what I'm trying to do is the driver sitting angle, because you know, when the driver is sitting in a Formula 1, is as if to say the driver is lying on it. So the height of the driver, so the height of the Formula 1, I think the height of Formula 1 is about 2 feet and something. You understand? So this driver seat, as if to say, is lying down. So your leg, your bottom is going to be like this, and your leg is going to go like this. You understand? So your foot actually stays like this. So because I'm actually a tour guide, the way I designed this to be, the pedals is going to be having an automatic adjustment. So if you are a short person, if you sit on it, you can press a button, and the pedal will come front a little bit. And if I enter there, I can press it back. You understand? Although Formula 1 is not being designed like that, because of my height, because I'm actually 6 feet 7 inches. That is my height. So you can see I'm a kind of very tall. So this is exactly the prototype of exactly what I'm trying to achieve now. But I'm just trying to build the driver angle. That is what I'll be building today. So although I've made all of this because it's actually require a lot of calculation. So this one that I use here, you can see where I welded it from here, and here, and also this place. But it does not give me the accurate job that I need, so I take it off. So I got another one, and this is the second one I just got now. So I'll be adding this one now here. I'll be adding it here, although the video is going to be too slow, because I'm not going to rush this job. You understand? So it is not everything I'm going to be doing on videos. You understand? So I will take it one after the other. I've never done this before in my life, but I believe I can do it. So let's go. I've never done it in my life, but I know that by the special grace of God, I should be able to do it. Okay. So let's go like this, guys. Just start the setting of it. So I have to set it in such a way that the job is going to be very, very, very accurate. The accuracy is one of the things that I'm very much interested in getting. And so it's not about rushing the job. It's not about putting it on the ground. Because I really want to make use of a lot of aerodynamic calculation that they have in an F1. So because I've actually gone to YouTube, I've seen different homemade F1. There's no one that looks like a real F1. So I want to try to get a real F1 design. tacking to hold them together before I will start doing the full welding. Okay. Okay. I think they're making progress. They do well. Guys, this is exactly what I'm trying to say to you guys. You can see what I have now. So this is the angle where I'm coming from. So you can see now, it's actually standing now. So this is exactly what I mean. Like sitting on this car now, this is exactly what I mean now. Let me show you guys. This is what sitting on this car look like. So, if I really want to sit on this car now, this is how it's going to be. Use it here. It's going to be like this. So it will seem as if you say you are lying on the ground. This is the seating of this car. This is how it's going to be. You can see. So I'm trying as much as possible, whatever thing I'm doing now, this car from this ground now to the height of the car, so it shouldn't be more than 3 feet. So I'm trying as much as possible to consider that, because Formula 1s are very low. I think Formula 1 is about 2 feet and something. You understand? But because of this one I'm doing now, I'm actually using a motor pass to do it. And the car that we have here in Nigeria, it is, I think the lowest car that you can actually see, that's how low the car can be on ground, is about 6 inches. You understand? Because we actually have bad road here in our country, Nigeria. You understand? So because of that, and Formula 1 is about, I think Formula 1 it should be about, some are 1 inch, some are 2 inches. You understand? Depending on how they design the track for it. You understand? So and we are trying to do the kind of one that anybody can buy it. You can drive it even within the track, or we can also drive it off-road. You understand? Anywhere. You understand? So that is the reason why I'm trying to achieve this now. So on this prototype, we are trying to achieve the height of this car. The height of this Formula 1 I'm actually building shouldn't be more than, the highest it should be 4 feet or 3 point something. You understand? I'm even trying to get it at the height of 3.6. That's 3 feet 6 inches. That is the height from the ground to the top. That is what I'm trying to do. So it requires a lot of calculation. I'm considering a lot of things right now. You understand? So this is the sitting of it. So you're gonna sit like this and be driving. You understand? You can see the way I'm actually sitting, as if say you're lying down. You can see. So although I still have a lot to do. So I'll be posting this video now, because I need to do the full calculation of this job now before I will start reinforcing it to the fullest. You understand? So you know, this is exactly what you have now, is what I'm going to use to build the original one. So this is the wireframe now that I'm trying to achieve. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Please remember that if you are new to my YouTube channel, please ensure to subscribe, okay? Because we really have a very wonderful and amazing job that we are coming up with out of nothing. I'm always this guy that I don't like giving excuses. You understand? If I fail today, it is I will hold myself responsible for my failure. You understand? So I'm not this person that keep on saying that, oh, because of the environment I have, because I never have access to this, I never have access to that. That was the reason why I cannot achieve something. I told my investors that 80% of Formula 1 out there is actually made up of carbon fiber. But before Formula 1 get to the level of carbon fiber, they once started with what they have. You understand? There was a time whereby Formula 1 we are making it with a pure metal. There's no carbon fiber inside of it. Those days when they were using the carburetor engine. You understand? So even though it's been long, carbon fiber came out, but you know there has been a period of time whereby they are into racing. There's nothing like carbon fiber. Understand? Now that is the kind of mindset I have. I want to really work with what I can find around my environment. This is one of the things that makes you a genius engineer. It is not all about, okay, you want to do this, you want to order it, you want to order it. They say we should order the chair of a Formula 1. I said no, we can build it our own. You understand? And this is, I'm trying to grow my brain. Like I'm trying to make my brain to get to a certain extent. Even though you have to understand that this job I'm doing now, I didn't learn it from anywhere. I didn't have anybody who put me through in whatever I'm doing. Whatever you are seeing here is just, I will tell you that the secret of my success is just, I have 1% talent and 1% grace, then 98% hardworking. You understand? Hardworking is exactly what brought me to here. What I'm doing here, I've never done it before, but I believe I can do it. You understand? And I believe by the special grace of God, God will help us. Okay? Thank you very much, everyone. Please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, ensure to subscribe for me. I have an amazing job. Today, I meant to finish the framework of this job. Okay? But don't worry, I'll still do another video to show you guys the process of the job. But I cannot be doing video because the calculation is much. You understand? And I don't know how to edit my videos, you know, a lot of things. Thank you very much. Please ensure to subscribe for me, guys. Thank you, and God bless you. Thanks, guys. Okay, let me show you guys exactly what I'm doing so that you have a kind of a little idea from different angle. Although for the protection, you know, a Formula 1 does not have an ABS and it does not have an airbag. You understand? So I think for the safety of it, there's what they call the halo. H-A-L-E. H-E-L-O. That is halo. I think that halo is the one that stayed at the top, and it's been designed they designed it with a carbon fiber. You understand? and that is one of the protection of the carbon of the Formula One. And they said that with the way I was seeing on the video, they said that the halo can actually carry a full loaded bus sitting on top of the vehicle. So that is how strong that angle, that protective this thing is. So no matter what, even if no matter how terrible the crash of the Formula One is, it will never affect the driver. You understand? So the safety of the driver matters a lot. So while trying to build this one, the original of this, I'm going to make use of my skill in doing this, in designing this, so that no matter how, and I'm going to make use of, I think this part is going to be one of the thickest parts of the Formula One that I'm actually trying to build. You understand? Because of the safety of the driver. You understand? So this is it, guys. You can see the work is still ongoing. So guys, I'll be going off now, but I will still come back to show you guys how far we have been on the progress. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. I'm very grateful. Please, if you notice any mistake I'm making here, or if you have any idea, if you have ever seen a Formula One, I've never seen a Formula One before, but if you have ever seen a Formula One, you have any idea to share with me, please, I am open to ideas, please, guys. Okay, thank you very much, everyone, and God bless you all. Thanks, guys.